Welcome back to AM Northwest. A sagging chin can not only make you look older than you are, but heavier too. So here to tell us how a simple procedure can make you look as young as you feel, we welcome back from Aesthetic Medicine, Dr. Jerry Darm, along with one of his patients, Mary Reinhardt. Now, guys, nice to have you both here. Dr. Darm, let's start with you, and let's talk about LipoLift. That's the first procedure here. What is LipoLift?
LipoLift is a minimally invasive procedure. A small cannula is placed into the skin, and a laser actually melts the fat in this area. And the heat of the laser tightens the skin at the same time. And so minimally invasive, a couple, 3 days of downtime, and you can literally shrink this area dramatically.
And you have some dramatic before and after pictures, Mary, so let's take a look at those. And tell us what we're seeing, Dr. Darm.
Well, you can see that she had a tremendous amount of fullness in her neck before, and what's really striking is how smooth that the result, you know, for such a minimally invasive procedure, how even and smooth the results were. So
that's really
incredible.
Dramatic. Yeah.
How long did this take?
About half an hour, 45 minutes. And
Mary, after you had the procedure, and Dr. Darm mentioned 3 days of downtime, was that difficult? And what did your friends say to you afterwards?
It was surprising how many friends actually noticed. I didn't tell anyone that I was doing it, and even strangers like who will look at my driver's license at the grocery store, oh, you've lost a lot of weight. It's like, oh, yeah. Not really.
Do you like what you see when you look in the mirror?
Very much so. That was the only part that I was really unhappy with. I run competitively and work out and, you know, really try to keep fit. And that was one thing that just, you know, no matter what I did, seemed like it just made me look fat.
Did the procedure hurt at all?
No, not really. No, they do a local anesthetic. I could hear it. That was the only part that was interesting. But
ouch.
Okay, time for earphones during procedures
Well,
now.
you say it's minimally invasive, and you know, we've talked about this before, but a lot of people are familiar, you know, from years ago, liposuction. It's similar idea, but it's not as harsh, is it?
No, it's a lot more, you know, much less downtime, much less destructive to the tissues. Liposuction is a mechanical tearing, you know, of the fat. This is just gently melting. So.
And can you sculpt with this?
Yes, you can sculpt, and it's really sort of revolutionary in terms of the overall procedure. We've done over 3,000.
Oh, I was going to ask you, 3,000, because you've really perfected it. It's incredible.
No,
it looks really good.
And a lot of people, now people may or may not know, you always tell me I need the procedure. He's pointed out to my chin. And a lot of people,
bleeding.
Yeah, a lot of people don't see that, or they just see it as loose skin, when in fact there are fat cells there that really make that area larger, right?
Right, and once the really interesting thing that happens is once the fat cells are gone, you will not reaccumulate here. So this is permanent. Wow. This is forever, regardless. I mean, no matter, you know, 60,
and
70.
Is it one visit?
One visit, and you're done.
And what's the aftercare?
Just a sort of a firm bandage that's kept on for 3 days, and then 3 nights after that. A little bit of bruising, but really not much in the way of downtime.
No.
Well, you look fantastic.
You look great.
Thank you.
Really do.
Thank you very much.
Remind everybody, Aesthetic Medicine in their new location, by the way, on Meadows Drive in Lake Oswego. Give them a call, 503-697-9777. And again, we'll have information on our website at kat.com. Thanks for coming in, guys. We appreciate it. See you soon.
Thank you so much.